Namaskar, Salam, Sat Sri Akal, and a very good morning to each one of you. We are all geared up for the primary science quiz contest. Let me straightway introduce you to the jury members. Please welcome the foundress, Ramnaresh sir, Shubhangi ma'am, and the time will be managed by Kritika ma'am. Boys and girls, ladies and gents, let me introduce you to Team A. Time to welcome Team B. Boys and girls, please welcome Team C. Please join your hands together for Team D. My next call is for Team E. Well, all the teams are well prepared. They are raring to go. And before I go for the first round, let me quickly go through the rules. Boys and girls, the first round will be a buzzer round. In this round, you will be given 5 balls in your hands. One member of the team can throw the ball. When the ball is thrown, you will be given only 10 seconds to answer my question. If you do not answer within 10 seconds, or if your answer is wrong, in both the cases, you lose 3 marks. But in case your answer is correct, you add 5 marks to your tally. During the buzzer round, we will have 5 questions. So 25 marks up for grabbing. But I would like to tell you, you should not be in unnecessary hurry. After that, the second round will be a regulation one. I'll come to each one of you 4 times. In case your answer is correct, you will be given 5 marks. In case you don't answer correctly, it will be passed to the next team. The third round, of course the most significant one, will be the rapid fire round. There will be 7 questions to be answered in 70 seconds. Each correct answer will fetch you 3 marks. So in all there will be 21 marks up for grabs. Right? The first question. Ready teams, hands on buzzer. And here is the first question. The question is, how many bones an adult human being has? Team C.
206.
206 is the answer, absolutely on board. 5 marks. Question number 2, ready teams? Keep the ball in your hands. Do not waste time. If you know the answer, please throw it as soon as possible. Ready teams? Hands on the buzzer. The question is, Which part of brain attaches brain with the spinal cord? Again it is, I'll go to the judges. I'll go to the judges. Again it is team C.
Cerebrum.
I'm afraid is not correct. Cerebellum, he says. I'm afraid your answer is wrong. You lose -3. It cannot be passed to you, but I'll go to the audience. Anybody from the audience? Yes?
Medulla.
Medulla comes the answer. Absolutely correct. And I am being directed by the jury members that I should give him one toffee as a reward. This is your reward. Right. Question number 3. Ready, teams? Hands on buzzer. And the question is, name the longest bone of human body. B team it is.
Femur.
Femur is absolutely correct. 5 marks for you, B team. Shabas. Good going. Absolutely fantastic. So we are through 3 questions. We are left with only 2. Please pay attention here. We are left with only 2 questions. Ready? I'm coming with question number 4. Ready, teams? The question is, name the stretchy tissue that attaches muscles to bones. Again, I'll go to it is team C.
Tendons.
The answer is tendon. Although he was a bit hesitant, but the answer is absolutely correct. So, we are through 4 questions. The last question of the buzzer round coming. Ready? Hands on the buzzer. The question is, new blood cells are produced in which part of bones? Which part of bones, team A it is?
Blood marrow.
It is bone marrow. We will take the answer, although he was hesitant a bit. The jury members say, because they are all primary students, so I should take it. So it is correct, and you get 5 marks. With this, we have concluded the buzzer round, and after the buzzer round, the scores are A 5, B 5, C 7, D 0, E 0. Well, we are starting the regulation round, and the regulation round I'll be starting with team A. It is regulation because it is a pass round. In case you do not answer correctly, it will be passed to the next team. If they answer correctly, they will get only 3 marks. But for you, it is a 5 marks question. For the third team, it will be only 1 number of marks if the answer is correctly. So team A, ready? Your question is, dash is essential, but eating excess of it can make us obese. A, carbohydrates. B, protein. C, roughage. D, fat. Carbohydrates is not correct, passes to team B. Fat is absolutely correct, although you were hesitant, but your answer is correct. You get 3 marks for your correct answer. Now, your question. Ready, team B. Dash is obtained from milk products, eggs, and pulses. A. Carbohydrates. B. Protein. C. Fat. D. Roughage. Protein is absolutely correct. You get 5 more. Question for you, team C, and your question is: through contaminated food and water, germs of dash can spread. A. Diarrhea. B. Jaundice. C. Cholera. D. All of these. Through contaminated food and water, germs of dash can spread. A. Diarrhea. B. Jaundice. C. Cholera. D. All of these. All of these. After a lot of time you spoke, but your answer is correct. 5 marks. Team D, your turn. You can open the account now. The question for you, Team D. Dash causes bleeding gums and prolongs time to heal wounds. A. Night blindness. B. Beriberi. C. Scurvy. D. Rickets. Night blindness is not correct. Passes to you, Team E. Beriberi is not correct. Passes to Team A. Scurvy is correct. You add 1 number of marks in your tally. Question for you, Team E. Ready? Dengue and malaria spread through A. Insects. B. Contaminated food. C. Contact. D. Air. Dengue and malaria spread through A. Insects. B. Contaminated food. C. Contact. D. Air. Insect is absolutely correct. You open your tally with 5 marks. Very good. Good going, Team E. So after the first round, the scores are: Team A 6 marks, Team B 13, Team C 12, Team C haven't opened, and Team only 5 marks. Second regulation round, I'll start with Team E, and your question is: the organ which helps us to control our movement is A. Eye. B. Ear. C. Nose. D. Brain. The organ which helps us to control our movement is eye, ear, nose, brain. नोज आपके मोमेंट को कंट्रोल कैसे करेगा? नोज. Passes to you. Brain is absolutely correct. You get 3 marks. Next question. It protects the internal organs. It protects the internal organs. A. Ear. B. Nose. C. Tongue. D. Skin. Skin is absolutely correct. You get 5 marks for your correct answer. Team C, your question is: an animal bite can cause A. sprain. B. Tetanus. C. rabies. D. Fracture. An animal bite can cause A. Sprain, B. Tetanus, C. Rabies, D. Fracture. What is B? Tetanus is not correct, passes to you. Rabies is absolutely correct. You get 3 marks for every correct answer. Question for you. A crack in the bone is called a fracture is absolutely correct. We did not need the options. That is the capability of team B. Very good going, team B. Team A. Your question is, an electrolyte should be given in case of A. Heat stroke, B. Fracture, C. Sprain, D. Snake bite. Sprain is not correct. Passes to you, team E. Team E. स्नेक बाइट में आप इलेक्ट्रोलाइट दोगे? हाँ जी. नो. टाइम अप. I'll go to the audience. Anyone? इलेक्ट्रोलाइट कब पिलाते हैं? क्या हो जाए तब? हीट स्ट्रोक, फ्रैक्चर, स्प्रेन, स्नेक बाइट. No, I'll go there. Yes. Heat stroke is absolutely correct and you can have your toffee. Sorry. Here is your toffee. Shabazz. Please join your hands together for him. After 2 rounds, the scores are Team A 6, Team E 5, Team D 8, Team C are second with 12, and Team B are the leaders with 21 points. The third of the regulation round, I'll start with you, Team A, and your question is, a dense, soft covering of air is called A. Feather, B. Shell, C. Trachea, D. Fur. Feather is not correct, passes to Team B. Feather, shell, trachea, fur. 10 seconds over, passes to you. Fur is absolutely correct, you get 1 number of marks. Question for you, Team B, and your question is, dash can directly absorb oxygen dissolved in water into their cells. A. Earthworms, B. Reptiles, C. Fishes, D. Mammals. Mammals. Mammals is wrong. Passes to you, Team C. I will not repeat. Passes to you. Earthworms is not correct. The answer, I'll go to the audience. Yes. Yes. Reptiles is not correct. Anybody else? So, the correct answer is fish. Next question. It is for Team C. And your question is, flat and broad teeth help to chew food easily. In which animals? You have to tell me which animals. A. Carnivores. B. Herbivores. C. Omnivores. D. Scavengers. Herbivores is absolutely correct and you get 5 marks for your correct answer. Question for you. Team D. And your question is, birds like duck and swan can swim in water with the help of their A. Webbed feet, B. Flippers, C. Fins, D. Wings. Flippers is not correct, passes to team E. Webbed feet is absolutely correct, you get 3 marks for the correct answer. And your question is, team E, dash protects spinal cord and carries the weight of the body. A. Skull, B. Femur, C. Hip girdle, D. Backbone. Dash protects spinal cord and carries the weight of the body. Skull, femur, hip girdle, backbone. Backbone, although you were hesitant, you are right on it. 5 marks. After 3 rounds of the regulation round, the scores are, Team A 6, Team B 8, Team E 13, Team C second with 18, and Team B are still the leaders with 21. The last round of the regulation round, I'll start with you, Team E, and your question is, ear ossicles consist of A. 3 small bones, B. 4 small bones, C. 6 small bones, D. 1 small bone. 3 small bone, again you were a bit hesitant, but your answer is absolutely correct. Team D, your turn, and your question is, meat eating animals have sharp A. incisors, B. canines, C. molars, D. premolars. Incisors, canines, molars, premolars. Molars is not correct, passes to team C. Canines, after a hesitation, but your answer is correct, you get 3 marks. Question for you, team C. Snakes move using dash present on the underside of their body. A. blubbers, B. flippers, C. fins, D. scales. Scales is absolutely correct and you get 5 marks for your correct answer. Question for you, team B. Bones of skull which forms the framework of face is called A. cranial, B. facial, C. atlas, D. vertebrae. Cranial is not correct, passes to you. 10 seconds only. Cranial, facial, atlas, vertebrae. Time up. Passes to you. Team E. Cranial is not correct. Passes to the audience. Yes. Vertebrae is not correct. Anyone else? Anyone? Okay. Team A, it is your turn. The number of vertebrae which make up the spine is A 22, B 14, C 33, D 12. 33 is absolutely correct and you get 5 marks for your correct answer. With this, we have completed the regulation round, and after the regulation round, the scores are Team D 8 points, Team A 11, Team E 18, Team B 21, and Team C have taken the lead now. They are on 26. We are starting the rapid fire round. First, I'll be starting with Team D. 70 seconds, 7 questions. 21 marks for the grab. You can decide कौन आंसर देगा. तीनों में से एक बोल लीजिए आंसर कौन देगा, जल्दी से डिसाइड कर लीजिए. अपने अंदर से बोल लीजिए कौन, हमें बताइए कौन आंसर देगा तीनों में से. Who is going to answer? कोई एक आप देंगे. Okay. Well, Team D, your 70 seconds start now. Fruits and green leafy vegetables are rich in vitamins. Do you agree or disagree? Agree is correct. A balanced diet mainly contains carbohydrate-rich food. True or false? False is correct. Roughage helps the body to get rid of undigested food. Serious or joking? No, I was serious. A contagious disease cannot spread from one person to another. Correct or incorrect? Correct is not correct. Anemia is a communicable disease. Right or wrong? Right is not correct. Proteins help in the movement of food through stomach and intestine. Agree or disagree? Disagree is correct. Rat flea spreads plague. Is it true or false? False is not correct. Time up. So I asked them 7 questions, and out of 7 she replied 3 correct, and 3 threes are 9 added to their tally takes you to 17. 17 is also a good score. The second rapid fire card is in my hand, and I'll start with Team A. Team A, it is your turn. Rapid fire. Within 70 seconds, you will have to answer 7 questions. If you answer all correct, you will get 21 marks. 3 marks for each correct answer. Are you ready? Who will answer? You are going to answer, okay. Timekeeper, well, your time starts now. Blood carries oxygen to the cells. Do you agree or disagree? Agree is correct. Beneath the lung lies a dome-shaped muscle called diaphragm. True or false? True is correct. Emu and kiwi are not examples of flightless birds. Am I serious or joking? Joking is correct. The pair of back limbs is called forelimbs. Is it correct or incorrect? Correct is not correct. Fish use tail fins to change the direction of movement. Right or wrong? Right is correct. There are 640 muscles in a human body. Do you agree or disagree? Disagree is not correct. Ligament is a strong and slightly elastic tissue. True or false? False is not correct. I asked them 7 and they replied 4 correct. 4 3s are 12 added to 11 takes you to 23. I'll take the next rapid fire card and this time I'll be going to team E. Team E, it is your turn. Are you ready? Time manager? Well, your time starts now. Cerebrum has many grooves and folds. Do you agree or disagree? Disagree is not correct. Sensory nerves carry instructions from the brain to the body. Is it true or false? False is correct. Brain stem controls all involuntary functions. Am I serious or joking? Joking is not correct. The spinal cord is a thick cord of nerves. Is it correct or incorrect? Incorrect is not correct. Shoulder joints are the example of ball and socket joints. Is it right or wrong? Right is correct. Iris is the colored part of the eye. Agree or disagree? Agree is correct. The surface of tongue has many receptors called orbits. True or false? True is not correct. I asked them 7. They answered only 3 correct. 3 3s are 9 added. Takes you to 27. 27 is a good score. Next card of the rapid fire round is for Team B. Team B, are you ready? And so is the time manager and so am I. So let's start. Who is going to answer? Right, the captain is always leading from the front. Your time starts now. Insects breathe through spiracles. Agree or disagree? Agree is correct. Frogs swim by kicking water with their forelimbs. True or false? False is correct. Worms move by shortening and lengthening their body. Serious or joking? No, I was serious. I never joke. Penguin is the only bird that is limbless. Correct or incorrect? Correct is not correct. Humans stand on their forelimbs. Right or wrong? Wrong is correct. Whales and dolphins breathe air through blowholes. Agree or disagree? Agree is correct. Fishes have 3 types of fins. True or false? False is not correct. I asked them 7. They answered 4 correct. 4 3s are 12 added to the tally takes you to 33. And the last card is in my hand. This is for Team C. Team C, you can have a glance on the scoreboard and be sure how many you have to answer correctly so that you can finish in the top 2. Ready, team? Who is going to answer? Fabulous, wonderful, always leading from the front. Time manager, ready? So, your time starts now. Muscles are connected to bones by ligaments. Do you agree or disagree? Agree is not correct. Skeletal muscles are involuntary muscles. True or false? For true is not correct. Floating ribs do not attach to the breastbone. Am I serious or joking? Yes, I'm always serious. The bone marrow is the site of blood cells production. Correct or incorrect? Correct is correct. Pectoral girdle protects developing baby in a pregnant woman. Right or wrong? Right is correct. Our wrists and ankles have pivot joints. Agree or disagree? Agree is not correct. Cardiac muscles are found in heart only. True or false? True is correct. I asked them 7, they answered 4 correct. 4 3s are 12, takes you to 38. So the final tally is clear for you, and the winners are Team C. Team C are the new champions of the primary science quiz. The runners-up are Team D, closely followed by Team E, Team A, and Team D. Congratulations, winners, runners-up. Bad luck to others. There is always next time. Next time you will be better prepared, and I hope you will certainly be finishing among the top 3. Boys and girls, this was the quiz contest of the primary science quiz. It was a great challenge from all the teams, and as is evident from the scoreboard, all went it full throttle. Thank you teams for amazing performance, for such a wonderful presentation of the quiz. We will always remember this. You have been good audience. For the audience also we wish to clap. Please join your hands for yourself. और उन सब के लिए जो हमें इस वीडियो के थ्रू देख रहे हैं, मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि आपका रिस्पॉन्स भी बहुत अच्छा रहा है। खासकर ये क्विज के दौरान हर एक वीडियो को आपने देखा, सराहा, आपने हमारा हौसला बढ़ाया। हम आपके बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं। मैं आपके लिए भी एक सवाल छोड़ के जाता हूँ, खासकर वे जो साइंस में इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं। बहुत ही कॉमन सा एक सवाल है आपके लिए, और मेरा सवाल ये है कि एक ग्रोन अप ह्यूमन बीइंग में कितने टीथ होते हैं? आप हमें आंसर दीजिएगा। और एक बार फिर से थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। इफ यू रियली लाइक्ड माय वीडियो, प्लीज शेयर, लाइक एंड subscribe the channel. Thank you.